How to create a sports game for free on Roblox. For those of you who are interested in how to use Roblox Studio and how to make a good Roblox game, this is a great place to start. Subscribe to the channel and comment down below saying I subscribe to this month's shoutout giveaway. When making a sports game in Roblox, you have to start and learn the basics. If you want to find out how to make the best Roblox sport game ever, stay tuned. Getting started with Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio is the basic interface you'll use in order to make all of your Roblox creation dreams come true. From here, you can start building worlds, designing your own game models, uploading objects to the database for other builders to use, and even learn the ins and outs of the program using tutorials and resources especially created by the Roblox Corporation. When you first open up Roblox Studio, it should look something like the image above. From this main menu, you can pick which template you want to start with, or if you want to start with one at all, and then use the tabs at the top to cycle between either creating worlds based on themes, such as Western or Suburban, or based on gameplay such as racing or obby. In-game, use these controls. WASD, or WASD as we gamers call it, moves your character around. The spacebar makes you jump. Pressing the right mouse button helps you look around. And to stop playing, you should press the stop button. An obby is one of the simplest and most popular types of games you'll see in Roblox. They're basically 3D obstacle courses that players have to navigate by running and jumping to avoid hazards and other areas of the level. They're kind of like platformers in the vein of Mario and Sonic. Making your first game and finishing it. Pick the obby template and upload it. You'll see an interface that looks something like the image above in front of you. In the interface's center is the game environment where you can click things, drag things, and fully edit the playable world. There's a lot of stuff going on inside of Roblox Studio, but try not to get too overwhelmed. Since this is a template, that means the core mechanics are already in place. You've got a starting point and an end point, as well as hazards to avoid along the way. In order to make this your own, we can make some simple changes. First, let's change the sky background to nighttime. By switching the time of day, we highly suggest that you take your time familiarizing yourself with Roblox Studio's many navigation buttons and menus. While I think our video does an excellent job going over the basics, you can check out the Roblox wiki if you'd like to dig even deeper. On the right in the Explorer column, click Lighting, and that should open up a new box below called Properties, Lighting with a bunch of numbers in it. Then scroll down to the bottom of the data section and find where it says time of day and a time. It's in military time, so you'll need to use the 24-hour version of whatever time you want. I set it for 2 hours in mine, for example, so it'd be 2 AM, nice and dark with a few twinkling stars. After that, go into the game environment menu and click on a few of the floating squares. Using the color option in the edit section, you can change the color really quickly and easily. If you want to make new platforms, just copy and paste them and then drag them around the environment to create a design you think will be fun and challenging. Plus, don't forget to create new red squares too. These are what your player needs to avoid, and they add challenge to your game. Those were just some super basic changes that you could make to your obby so that it stands out more. You can, of course, do so much more with Roblox. This was only a small sliver of an introduction. Once your game reaches a point you consider to be finished, and publish it to Roblox. Click File, then Publish to Roblox to start the process. From here, you can name your game, add a description, and get everything set up and ready to go. Our hope is that you'll create a custom obby game that you'll be proud to show your friends and family, and that you'll continue your Roblox game development journey, and perhaps even make some Robux along the way. While Roblox Studio may seem a bit complicated, it is actually quite simple to operate. The Roblox editor is one of the best designed that we've used. For those who are new to Roblox scripting, please remember that Rome wasn't built in a day. While we all want to make millions of Robux in our first week, it's important that you learn the basics first. We highly recommend that you get really good at the basics here, as this will save you a ton of time as you build future games on Roblox. You will then be able to move into more complex games with lots of potential for commercialization. For those of you that learn better with written instructions, Roblox has created an excellent wiki that will walk you through the basics of creating your own obby. For those that prefer step-by-step video instructions how to make a game on Roblox, proceed on. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos out on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.